Hi everyone, this is Sergey from Wall Artists, and today I want to show you the stunning marble imitation finish that we make especially for kitchens to be used as countertops. Check out how easy it is to clean and maintain this kitchen countertop, and how simple it is to get out even the toughest of stains. Would you look at the end result? It looks absolutely brand new, sparkling clean, and ready to be used again thanks to our durable materials and how easy it was to clean that stain. If this is something that you would like to see in your kitchen, your house, maybe even your bathroom, what are you waiting for? Get in touch with Wall Artists today and make your dream project come true.